Now we will demonstrate how to link NAPOPC on a PC with Quicker using OPC mode. First, run Quicker on WinPAC and enter the service setup. Choose the RPC Server and Active Scan Kernel. You need to install the NAPOPC first. The installer file can be downloaded from our website. After installing NAPOPC, press Start at the bottom left of the screen. Then press All Programs, ICP DAS, NAPOPC. Then run the NAPOPC Server. Click the Device button above. Configure the settings according to the video. The IP address is that of the WinPAC. The port is the port number of RPC Server. Then, click the OK button so it can scan all the modules and IOs on the WinPAC. Then click the Monitor button above to get the values from the IOs automatically. We have linked the analog output of I-87024 with the analog input of I-87017. Now we can have a simple validation. Send 5 volts from analog output. The value of analog output shows 5. Now we change to the analog input. We can get the 5 volts in analog input from the analog output with Quicker. Now we can send data to or acquire data from WinPAC on a PC by using NAPOPC and Quicker. After you're done setting, click the Save button to save the setup. When we use the HMI, the human-machine interface, developed by Graph Control software from PC, we can control WinPAC by using NAPOPC and Quicker. Now we will demonstrate some important settings on InduSoft as an example. We add an OPC in Communication tag. Select the NAPOPC server in the Server Identifier drop-down list. Then we connect the variables, which are set in InduSoft, with I/O channels in NAPOPC. The other more important settings are the design of the human-machine interface. You should link the controllers with corresponding variables. Take this lamp signal for example. The lamp is linked with channel 0 of the digital input of I-87055. When the data is 0, the lamp shows black. On the contrary, it shows red. Now we run the HMI for a test. We have connected the digital input with digital output of the I-87055 peer-to-peer and connected the analog input of the I-87017 with the analog output of the I-87024. We can switch the output data of the digital out to change the status of the digital in by using NAPOPC and Quicker from a PC. Or we can control the output value of an analog out to change the value of an analog in.